Come here. Whoa. Whoa.
Walking and drinking a cup is kind of hard. You gotta walk to daddy. You go walk to dada.
Hold in. Hold in.
It's right here.
Oh, you need your corn. Where's his corn, Will? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Whoa. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. You walk over here. He's so happy. Good job.
In the toy room, he's been letting go and just like walk in a few places.
Whoa. Close.
What are you doing? Whoa!
Good throw. Here, bring it over here, Will. Hold in. Hold in. It's coming over here.
Well, what are you going to do for the camera?
Hold in.
Do something crazy in front of the camera.
What can you do, Will? What's the new thing you can do? Hold in. Are you throwing that?
Did you get it?
Wait, hold on, Will. No, he's coming over.
You get too excited.
Yeah.
Alright, hold your corn. Watch out, back up, back up,
Back up, Will.
Don't grab it from him.
No.
He's holding it. Just let him walk with it. Back up.
All right, come back. Come back. Let him walk over to us.
I'll get another stadium.
Okay.
Bye.
Come me. Whoa.
Uh-oh.
That's not walking.
I think you're going
Ooh,
to
good
side.
throw.
Oh, he's waving too.
Hi. Oh,
Here.
all right. It's a busy
Can
day.
you wave to daddy?
Hold in.
Say hi, daddy.
Hey, hold in. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
No.
Hi. No, that's not waving. Hi. Hi.
Wave to daddy. Say hi.
Hi.
Watch out, Will.
Look out, Will. Move. Here he
Wave to
comes.
daddy. Say hi.
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 Hi, Holden. Okay. Okay, bye.
Here you go.